Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover a historic haven on Main Street, Christiana, a 3.68-acre parcel in Manchester, primed for residential or commercial development. This property, adorned with a fixer-upper greathouse showcasing Georgian-era antiques, is a developer's fantasy with zoning flexibility. The canvas is open for your visionary strokes. Once a renowned boutique hotel, this oasis now awaits the discerning purchaser to redefine its purpose. Beyond historical charm, the guest house resonates with tales of yesteryears, inviting nostalgia and potential. More than a property, it's an opportunity to unearth the highest and best use for this treasure. Whether envisioning a upscale residence or a commercial masterpiece, Main Street Christiana holds the premise of a compelling future. This canvas bridges history with innovation, beckoning the astute developer to leave an indelible mark. Seize the chance to transform this legacy into a modern marvel, where each element aligns with your vision. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 575,000, Jamaican 90.7 million, Canadian 823,000, or 446.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.